Have you ever wondered how the space inside a water bottle relates to the space a cardboard box takes up? One is about liquids, measured in liters, the other about solid space, measured in cubic centimeters. This is the core difference between capacity and volume. Volume is the amount of three-dimensional space an object occupies. Capacity is how much liquid a container can hold. The magic happens where they connect, through a simple, elegant rule. A tiny cube, just 1 centimeter on each side, has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. That exact amount of space holds precisely 1 milliliter of water. It's a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. This is our fundamental bridge. So if a cylindrical thermos has a calculated volume of, say, 1,570 cubic centimeters, its capacity is 1,570 milliliters of coffee. The shape doesn't matter. The conversion is always 1-to-1. Now, let's scale up. Imagine a large box that's 1 meter on every side. That's 1 cubic meter of volume. That single cubic meter holds exactly 1,000 liters, which we also call a kiloliter. This is our second bridge for larger applications. So a rainwater tank that's a 2-meter cube has a volume of 8 cubic meters. Using our large-scale bridge, its capacity is exactly 8 kiloliters, or 8,000 liters. This knowledge is practical. A teaspoon is about 5 milliliters. A bathtub holds around 150 liters. A backyard pool may be 40 kiloliters. Understanding this connection helps you sense-check your calculations. If you work out that a water bottle holds 500 liters, you've likely made a conversion error. So remember the two bridges. Small scale, 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. Large scale, 1 cubic meter equals 1 kiloliter. With these, you can translate the abstract world of space into the practical world of what it can hold.